Yeah, from west coast to the east coast, and we got another storm system that arrives tomorrow, just like the one we just had. It's going to cause major impacts across the United States and even stronger winds for our area. First, though, I want to show you an impressive stat here. I know it's been a cloudy weather pattern, so I was looking at the almanac data, and the last day I could find that was sunny was 23 days ago, back on December 19th. So, moral of that story: enjoy today, as we should have a blue sky out there for a good portion of today with a clearing sky already. And it's already a warmer start, 41 degrees. That's not far from a normal high temperature for this time of the year. Live view with our First Savings Bank camera, looking from Jeff over the Clark Memorial Bridge and over the city skyline. So sunny and milder, top star weather headlines for today. Wet and windy tomorrow. Already have a wind advisory out for 7 o'clock tomorrow morning through 7 a.m. Saturday. Could have some wind gusts around 40 to 50 miles per hour. And there might be some spotty power outages as we head into our Friday night, which would not be good because we have plummeting temperatures below freezing for the entire weekend, and actually we should stay below freezing through much of next week. A long-lasting, bitterly cold weather pattern on the way with some light snowfall potential Sunday night into Monday. That system looking weaker and not looking like a big amount of snow for us early next week. 38 right now at Bowman Field, 41 at Louisville International. We have a south breeze that's keeping the temperatures elevated above freezing, so not frosty. 34 in Sellersburg, 36 in Linden. We've got 38 in PRP and Valley Station and across the area, all above freezing as we step out this morning. There's that wind advisory covering most of the viewing area for all of tomorrow and through Saturday morning. System to our north spreading some snow up towards Ohio and the Great Lakes. But for us, we've had that clearing sky. So finally, sunshine for today. Upper 40s, lower 50s for our high temps, maybe briefly some mid 50s in the city. But here come the clouds later on tonight and a soggy start to our Friday, another wet one. This will be our third wet work week morning this week, and the rain continues throughout the afternoon. Might be some breaks every once in a while, and it will be on the mild side with mid 50s tomorrow afternoon. There might be a couple rumbles of thunder. If we do get an isolated thunderstorm, not expecting severe weather, but there could be some embedded wind gusts up to around 50, maybe even 60 miles per hour. Again, that could cause some spotty power outages. Here come the crashing cold temperatures tomorrow night around 11:30. A brief switch over to some flurries possible. Really no accumulation expected. A little better chance of that farther north. But here we go with the dropping temperatures down to the upper 20s and lower 30s for highs Saturday. And this begins a long stretch of below freezing temperatures. And the rainfall totals tomorrow, about a ½ inch to an inch and a half, a little higher to the northwest, but a good soaker nonetheless, and keeping us away from the drought conditions. So this is the wind chill down to the teens Saturday, possibly down to around 0 into Sunday morning, and staying around 0 or even sub-zero with some of the wind chills early next week. The extreme cold a little worse up to our northwest. Here comes this little system, so some light accumulations possible, especially in Kentucky. Could be a little bit drier for parts of the Hoosier State just off to the north of the river. Our long-range weather pattern keeps us with this dip in the jet stream, and that just locks in the cold pattern all the way through the following weekend, January 20th. So for today, sunny and milder, soak up that sunshine, 52. For tonight, increasing rain chances overnight with a low of 40 degrees. And here you go with the cold weather pattern Saturday all the way through the middle of next week. Look at that, highs in the 20s Sunday through next Wednesday.